In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano to create hybrid illustration art. We'll start simple and build up to a polished, stylized result. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Any modern browser works, but for the smoothest experience, make sure it's up to date. Having a reference image ready on your computer will also help. Choose a clear, well-lit photo that you own or have permission to use. In the Google search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. You're looking for the official Gemini site from Google. Before you click, quickly check that the result comes from an official Google domain so you know you're in the right place. Click into the Google Gemini website to open the app. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to sign in to your Google account. Once inside, look for the Create Image option. Click it. This is the action that activates Nano, the image creation technology behind the scenes. Think of Nano as the creative engine that blends realism with stylized illustration. Perfect for hybrid artwork that looks both lifelike and artistically expressive. Next, upload your reference image by clicking the plus sign. For best results, use a high-resolution file with a clean background and even lighting. Center the subject and avoid heavy filters, since those can confuse the model. Be mindful of privacy and copyright. Only upload images you're allowed to use and avoid including other people who haven't given consent. Now, craft your prompt. You can keep it simple and precise. For example, a hyper-realistic portrait featuring the person from the uploaded reference photo, keeping the face, hair, expression, and natural features perfectly accurate. To lean into hybrid illustration, add stylistic direction that layers art techniques on top of realism. You might say something like, maintain photorealistic facial accuracy while adding soft watercolor textures, subtle ink line work, and a contemporary color palette. Use gentle rim lighting, a painterly background with depth, and crisp but minimal graphic shapes for a modern editorial feel. The key is to describe the level of realism you want, the materials or aesthetics to emulate, the mood and lighting, and any background treatment. Keep your language clear, specific, and respectful. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit. The system will generate results in a moment. If it's close but not perfect, refine your wording. Adjust the style terms, color cues, or background notes, and submit again. A few quick iterations often dial in the exact hybrid look you're after. That's it. With Google Gemini and Nano, you've created hybrid illustration art from a reference image, combining realism with expressive stylized flair.